Hi everyone, and hello here also. Today I want to make a little speech about the ChatGPT, just in general, how does it work, and so on. So, first of all, we see the fact that ChatGPT can create text, and it looks like it's written by a human, and it's very impressive, surprising sometimes. And the main question is not how does it do, not how it generates the text, but why does it work? Well, now in this video I will give you basic explanations on how ChatGPT works and how it manages to generate the meaningful text. And I will focus on the big picture, and I will not go into all these small little details, technical things, and so on. And in general, all this explanation, it applies not only to ChatGPT, but to all similar, how they're called, large language models. Yeah. So, first of all, let's understand that ChatGPT, the main goal of ChatGPT is actually to continue a piece of text in a way that makes sense. That's all. So, in general, it tries to predict what someone can or might write after reading a billion of web pages or books and so on. So ChatGPT is doing this by using a lot of data and learning patterns, styles, using the context from the data. The data is available for it. To make it possible, ChatGPT, it uses pretty complex algorithms and techniques. It learns from a huge set of data from different sources and tries to understand how humans use the language. By processing all this information, ChatGPT basically can generate the text that looks like what a person could write after seeing similar text. The reason why ChatGPT is so good at this, it's because it learns the patterns, connections, and all the structures of the language from the data it's trained on. And it uses this knowledge to predict which word, which phrase, which idea, which meaning is most likely to come next, based on what it has seen before. Actually, it's getting better this because of the process which is called unsupervised learning, where basically it adjusts itself based on the patterns it finds in the training data. ChatGPT uses a special computer, let's say special program, which is called a neural network. We hear this every time, everywhere. And this neural network helps ChatGPT to understand and generate text based on the input it gets. This model, it learns to connect words and phrases with their meaning, with the meaning of the words and phrases, and uses these meanings to understand and create response that makes sense in a given context. Yeah. And while all the technical details of how ChatGPT actually works, it's pretty complex. The important thing to know here is that it's good at capturing the patterns and simulating the human language. By learning from lots of texts and models and modeling the relation between words and between the ideas hidden in these words, ChatGPT basically can create text and phrases and like everything basically that it seems like it was written by a human. How it works? Let's suppose we have a sentence: the best thing about AI, its ability to... That's all, the end of the phrase. Now imagine if you want to continue the phrase, you would assume which words will go there, and you will go through billions of pages of text written by human, some books, some websites, whatever, all the content. And then you will find all the instances where this sentence is used, where these words are used. Then you check